Welcome to our channel. So this is a very different type of vlog kasi mama and I were talking about perfumes. Oh, my baby is there. We'll show you later. So we're just talking about our perfumes. We are perfume enthusiasts. Like, we are not an expert, but we love perfumes. Perfumes. So here's my mom. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
So it is her hard launch today, or on this video for our channel. So yeah, so today we actually don't know what we're going to talk about because it's just like last minute we're talking about it and then we're like, you know what? Let's film it and post on our channel because why not? So kagigising lang namin and we haven't really like prepared ourselves. Too much disclaimer, but here's our collection of perfumes. So on this side, so on this side, that's my baby. So on this side is my collection, and on this side is mom's collection. So let us start. So ma'am, kailan ka ba? When did you start collecting perfumes?
Tagalog ba?
So, kailan ka nagsimulang nagkaroon ng
Mga 2008.
2008? Okay. So, kasi iba yung, kasi we're from Philippines. So, syempre, yung mga cologne, mga bench, ganyan. Pero yung talagang proper perfume. So, si mama, sabi niya, 2008 siya nag-start. Ako naman, nag-start ako when I moved here in Australia. So, I think nag-start ako sa mga Juicy Couture, yung mga yan, yung mga Guess, yung mga yon. So, Calvin Klein. So, dun ako nag-start. Until ma-discover ko, I think my first one would be Chanel. Na dun ako na parang, wow, I love perfume. So, let us start. So, we'll probably start sa side ko. So, ako, I love powdery notes. Pero, minsan, parang gusto ko rin yung flowery, pero medyo musky. Something like that. Pero meron din ako mga fruity na nagugustuhan ko. Pero, yun. Anyway, again, hindi kami expert. Ito lang yung alam namin. And
Ito lang yung gusto namin.
Ito lang yung gusto namin. So, I'll probably start with mine. So, hindi ito lahat yung mga naging perfume ko. Yung iba, late ko na na-realize na, ay, dapat pala hindi ko inuubos. And I keep something. So, I also started na every time we travel, meron akong specific perfume na i-assign or bibilin and then para dun ko gagamitin para whenever we go home or we return home, yun yung mag-remind sa akin. So, I'll probably start with cologne. So, not really a fan of Jo Malone that much, pero sila yung best cologne for me. So, ano ba yung meaning ng cologne? So, ayan. Cologne. So, let us start with this one. So, I think na-influence lang ako ng someone for this one. So, that is... So, this is nice. Probably, i-rate mo. Kung, do you like it? Yes or no?
I like it.
You like it? So, that is Peony and Blush Suede. So, hindi ko na ito masyadong ginagamit, but I'll probably use this kapag... Yes. Yes, baby. I'll probably use this kapag sunny or very like summer. So I'll use that. And then the second one is this. So this one is a little bit powdery. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. I like this. Very demure lang yung ano niya. Atake niya. Very demure. So, I like that as well. And this one, free lang siya nung binili ko to. Pero, honestly, mas nagustuhan ko pa siya kaysa dito sa Wild Bluebell. Do you wanna try it?
Yes.
Yes. So, wala kasi kaming paper. So, pa-smell lang kami. So, eto, sorry, hindi ko napakita. Yan. So, I give myself like 2 months. So, kapag gusto ko pa rin siya, I would replenish with a bigger size. So that's my cologne. I also have, alam niyo yung sa Hermes, yung bibili kayo ng 4 na ganito. So, I had like other 3, pero naubos ko na siya. Ang pinaka gusto ko is Lagoon. Pero ito na lang natira sa akin. Do you wanna try this? No. So, I don't really use this. Parang gagamitin ko lang siya pag nasa bahay. Tapos gusto ko lang magpabango. So, yan. So, that is from Hermes.
Teka.
Commercial. So, actually, hindi ako naging fan ng Hermes na mga perfume. I wanna try their Twilly to give them a chance. Pero, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko is yung Lagoon. So, yeah, that is for Hermes. So, the next one is this. So, this is the, I think this is from Dior, as you can see. All right, let's try. I also have like a sample of that. It's not very me, no. It's good. I think most women love this perfume, and I got intrigued. But honestly, it's too intense for me. Pero no, medyo mauubos ko na nga siya. But I'm keeping it. I think it's like for events, like evening or something. So someone's joining us! Yay! Alright, so moving on. So that's the Dior. I only have one Dior. I haven't really, they have a large collection of perfume as well, pero hindi ko siya masyadong explore. Now, going to Chanel, which is like my first love. So this is the Gabrielle Chanel. This is what I use for my wedding. So whenever I use this or smell this, I remember a little thing. Yes or no?
Yes.
I love it. Lalo na, ang tagal niya rin magstay sa'yo. So, I love it. And then, this one is, I think this is the, if you want powdery, you need to start with number 5. This is powdery, so try it. No? So, surprisingly, Mama didn't like it, but this is one of the powdery that I like. So, yun yung Chanel. Now, I also have the Tiffany. So, this is a gift from my friend Cindy. So, I use this for events. So, I think this is very intense for me. It's more of floral.
Yeah, good, yes.
Yes, so Mama likes it. She always wanna like wear it as well, but I told her to buy her own. Just kidding. Now moving on to Gucci. So I have like this free sample from something I bought from them, but I like it, but it's not something that I like buy to like add on my collection. No, it's a little bit, but this is my newest perfume and I love it so much. So I bought a perfume for a friend and I thought maybe I'll try something from Gucci because I don't have anything from Gucci. So this is my current favorite and Mama loves it so much as well.
Yes.
It's powdery with a little bit of musky floral and some coconut. I love it so much. So, and I love the bottle as well. So yeah, this is my newest one. So, and the last 3. So this 3 is my most favorite of all my collection. So it reminds me of something. So this one is the Byredo Rose of No Man's Island. I love it so much. And this is my perfume when we went to New Zealand, Queenstown. So it always reminds me of Queenstown.
Very nice.
So, diba, iba siya dun sa George, sa Ismiyak. Sabi mama ko, ka-smell ng Ismiyak. Like, no way! And then, moving on. So, this is the Valaya. I forgot what's the full name. It's a Valaya from Perfumes de Marly. So, I saw this because I used to watch PBB collab. So I've seen this too with Bianca De Vera, and si Hunter was growing up when I had this. So this reminds me.
Yes.
So this is a yes. So I stopped using it because it's already half bottle. And the last one for me is the Tom Ford. So this is the Soleil Blanc. Did I pronounce it correctly? So this reminds me of our trip in the USA. I love it so much. Love it. I think, yeah, there's still something. The best one. This is the best one. This is the best one. I'm always like torn between this and Byredo. So I also have like the mini one because I'm too scared na maubos yung malaki. But I think there's still, like, this is refillable. So this is really nice. Next on my list is the Byredo Blanche, or is it how you pronounce it? So yeah. So which one do you like most with on my perfume? Byredo, One Mama's Heart. So ipon ka na para makabili ka niyan. Yan. So that's my collection.
Yung YouTube channel ko is Daisy Lover because I love Daisy, Marc Jacob. And wala, ito yung original na, ang una-unang Marc Jacob na Daisy. This is the original, the small. Daisy.
Wow!
Super bango.
Sige nga, can I try it?
Pag gusto niyo ng mga flower,
Yeah, I
mga
think that's
flower
the one
perfume, this is the original. This is the first Daisy, Marc Jacob. Tapos, meron din akong Daisy Love. Yan. Mabango din siya. As usual, flowery din siya. Pero, maganda tong panggabi.
Wow, may panggabi pa.
Yes. This one. And the next one is
Sweet.
Daisy Lover Sweet. This one. Beautiful color.
Yeah, I like this.
Like pink. Baby pink.
Oh yeah, this one's nice.
And the next one is, this one is the new one, the Wild.
Is that a gift?
It's from Ate May.
Most of her perfume are from me.
This one is the only perfume of Daisy Lover.
Tagalog ka na.
Oo, ito yung perfume lang sa Daisy, sa Marc
yeah.
Jacob. At saka itong Perfect. Dalawa lang silang perfume. The rest is Eau
Eau de toilette.
This one. Maganda to, mas mabango din
Can I
to.
try? Not so Daisy.
Hindi, habang tumatagal siya, bumabango siya. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa Marc Jacob. Perfect.
Perfect.
Look, tingnan nyo naman yung takip niya.
Sabihin mo
Dito na
perfect
lahat.
ulit.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect. Ito, perfume din to. Matagal siya. Hanggang kinabukasan, nandun pa rin siya sa'yo. Ito yung Ito yung pinaka the best na perfume so far. So far.
Na meron.
Na meron ako. Ayan, for Daisy
Wow,
Lover.
so you have 5.
I have 5. Actually, I have 6. The other one is on the Philippines.
Actually, like, we have more, I mean,
Tapos naubos na lahat.
just
pero
for your information, we have like more than this, but like, not to like brag about it. Yeah. Next.
lahat ng Daisy Lover ng Marc Jacob na perfume, na-try ko na, pero naubos na yun. Like, the Decadence is the best one also.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Decadence is finished. This one is
Is that a gift?
Jimmy Choo.
Jimmy Choo.
From my beloved Jalben and Abby, and also Kylie. Thank you very much. This is very nice. A blossom perfume.
May isa pa silang gift sa'yo, di ba?
This one. Very nice. Thank you so much.
Nakadalawa ka na sa kanila.
And the other one is also this. I think everybody is familiar with this one because this one is very popular, especially
Ulitin mo, very popular.
popular. Lalo na yung mga nasa Dubai.
Tagalog ka na kasi.
Lalo na yung mga nasa Dubai. Ito, sikat sa kanila to. Eclat. Very nice this also.
You know what that reminds me? Salvatore Ferragamo.
Marami siyang katulad na amoy, pero perfume din siya, matagal din siya. No? Actually, lahat halos ng binibili ko is perfume para matagal maalis. This one is remind me my kumare. That's why I buy this one. My kumaring Tess. She liked this perfume, Eternity by Calvin Klein. This is perfume also and flowery smell. Very strong. Yeah. Don't like.
Hi, Tita Tess!
And this is the last one. Oh my God!
Nasira agad.
Naputol yung takip kasi binubuhat ko kanina para din dito. This is Issey Miyake.
I don't like it.
Oh, very nice. This is smell really good. This is perfume.
Okay, it's not fresh.
Oh. This is perfume and flower also. But very nice. Issey Miyake. Remember this, guys. It's really good. But quite pricey.
It's like $60.
It's 25 ml.
25 mil for $50.
Diba? That's all.
Yeah,
This
so
is-
that's our collection.
This is my favorite.
What's your favorite?
These two are my favorite. Perfect and Issey Miyake.
So ako, my favorite among your collection
It's perfect.
is this one.
That one.
Because I had this one as well before and I loved it. I had this one
Yeah,
before. I
this
used this one
first perfume of Marc Jacob. Disclaimer.
before. So if you want to receive next on your list, what perfume is that? Malay mo may makarinig and magregalo.
I think because they have a new Wild Intense. That's one. And Issey Miyake, so intense also. I like perfume, not the Etude.
Okay na kasi magtagal.
Ayaw ko nung Detoil.
You
Detoil.
Eau de toilette.
Alam mo, bago tayo mag-vlog ng mga
Perfume.
perfume, dapat alam natin yung mga paano pronunciation ng mga yan. Pag-vlog. Basta nakukuha lang kami, kasi kami guys sa amoy, okay na kami doon. So, yun.
Oo. Basta mabango.
Yes. So, that's our collection. Again, this is my current favorite. I think I would suggest this to everyone. I won't gatekeep this one. Well,
ko
not
rin bumili ng
anymore, but I would, if I had a chance, I would gatekeep this one. But I think everyone knows by now.
How about you guys? Alin ang gusto niyo?
Yes, comment down below kung ano yung ginagamit nyo din na meron kayo dito.
Kung ano-
Or kung meron kayo masasuggest sa amin.
Yes.
So, thank you guys. Say thank you.
Thank you. Comment down below your favorite perfume. Bye.
Bye, guys.